Video, guys, we are going to address one lady from the southwest. Now wow. Trouble go dey, then go come dey wake up. Trouble go dey in own, people go dey wake up. Why e be say trouble go dey in own, people go dey wake up? Why now? Abeg, see, the Yoruba lady just came on social media where they find where everybody is, clamoring and preaching peace. This lady came out on social media, and her own was to preach hate. So guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. This is African Lioness TV. If you are new here, welcome. Please hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down on the comment section below. Tell us what you think about this video after watching the video, okay?
If you come to Yoruba land, you will see Yoruba business owners in their shops selling their wares. You will see Hausas in shops. You will see Bini, you will see Edo, you will see Iduma, you will see Tapa, you will see all man, including Igbos. You will see them in shops all over Yoruba land. Anywhere you go from Lagos to Ogun State, you will see them there doing their businesses, and there's peace within everyone. You will see other ethnic groups having landed properties in Yoruba land. The same way, if you go to the north, you will see other ethnic groups having landed properties in the north. The last time we checked, in Kano State, Igbos are over 3 million, according to what we heard. Igbos are over 3 million in population in Kano alone. And they have shops, they have landed properties, they have shops, they are doing their businesses, and they are being patronized. The same with not only Igbos that have landed properties in Kano and other parts of the north. There are other Nigerians from other ethnicities that have landed properties all over the north. Come to South, the same thing. You will see other Nigerians in South doing their businesses, having landed properties unmolested. But go to Igbo land, you can't see anything like that. They have a system that has completely edged other Nigerians out and away. They have edged everybody out of their land. That land is only occupied by themselves. Meanwhile, they spread themselves out to other places. Who is marginalizing who? Tell us. Who is cheating who? You come to my land, you claim constitutional rights. Then I come to your land, you take that constitutional right, you throw it away, begin to misbehave. I don't get to rent a shop. If I rent a shop in your place and my business begins to sell, is either the shop is boggled overnight, or the landlord gives me quick notice and says I should leave, and then I leave, another Igbo man will occupy that place selling the same item. Think, nobody is marginalizing. You are marginalizing yourselves, and the measure that you used to give to others, they will give it back to you, and you'll be the one that will cry last.
My people, una don't hear her, ba? Una don't hear from the horse's mouth. Una don't hear them. Tomorrow now they go talk, say we dey look for trouble, we dey do this, we dey do that. Una don't hear them from her mouth now. The way she dey talk about Igbo people. Say if they give a shop in the night, they will go and either they go boggle the thing, or they give the landlord will give a Yoruba person quick notice, and somebody, another Igbo person will now go and put say the same. That another Igbo person will go and put the same business the Yoruba person were doing before. Hi. Now wow. Una with lies, Una with lie na 5 and 6. I don't take this one, no, say Yoruba people, Una lies, una lie, and una with lies are 5 and 6. Yoruba people and lies, telling lies, are 5 and 6. This one don't confirm am. Hey, lie dey for na DNA. Now wetin e mean be that? Who want try this? Not anybody won't tell me. Say they no be 5 and 6 for lies. See how this woman just knowingly like this on purpose, con just cook this kind of lie and start spreading it on social media without evidence. So at least you would have come with one at least one evidence. Come with at least one. Then we will know that, okay, maybe such a thing even exists at all. Hey, now what? God, they watch you now. God, they watch you now. Hey, what has Igbo people done to you people? Or if you want to chase clout, you start talking about Igbo people. Igbo people this, Igbo people that. What has Igbo people done to you? What has Igbo people done to you guys? What? Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Mind your business. Mind your business. You people are the people leading Nigeria, right? Yes. When you finish, you hand over to the other people. The other people finish, they hand over to you. You finish, you hand over to the other people. Year in, year out. Every 8 years, every 4 years, you keep doing this. You know, you kept sharing the power from the other hand to your hand, from your hand to the other hand, all along. You know, now you now have the audacity to come out to talk to Igbo people just like that. Eh? How dare you? You have the audacity to come out and start talking about Igbo people for no reason, no, for no reason, unprovoked. If you people go to Ghana, you talk about Igbo people, this, you start, preaching HATE. You start preaching HATE. You start preaching all everywhere. Igbo this, Igbo that. Eh? Now, Igbo people don't sell their land. That you go to other tribe. You go to Hausa, you go to Yoruba, you go to Edo, you go to Rivers, South, you go to every other place in Nigeria. They all sell their land to everybody. Then when you go to Igbo land, Igbos don't sell land to anybody. That they now make it in a way that is difficult or whatever. But how? Can you prove it? Can you prove it? Just bring one proof that somebody, you or your sister or your son or your in-law went to buy land from Igbo land. And they said, hey, we are not going to sell to you because you are from this tribe or the other tribe. They sell their land to anybody that have the money. If you have the money to buy my land that I'm selling, there is nobody will come and tell me that, make sure if you want to sell your land, make sure you sell it to Igbo people. How? If an Igbo person don't have the money to buy my land, I'm not going to sell it to him or her. God knows that one. God knows that one. So if you want to lie, try to lie the one that is real, that at least will look like. Don't just come out and lie because it is in your DNA. Don't just come out and be spinning this lie you are lying. Because lies is on your DNA. We all know that. Look at a mother. Look at a mother. How a mother just came out on social media, put light, and this is what they are teaching your children. This is what they are teaching your fellow Nigerians. Telling them that, these people doesn't sell their land. You sell your own light to people. See, okay, why not you too? Stop selling your own. If it is true that other people don't want to sell their land, you now stop selling your own. You know, even if you go to Y0ruba land, even the Y0ruba people say, don't buy land from their people either. Yes, because when they place the money so high, the person may not be able to buy it. Who is survival of the fittest? Whoever they have the money, even foreigner, Chinese, go to Lagos, Chinese, they're almost buying all Lagos finish. You will not see that allegedly,
one. Allegedly. Even collecting Nigeria from us. You cannot see that one. What you will see is your fellow brother and your sister. They are the ones that you will see. But Chinese that is collecting our land from us, mining our natural resources in the north, mining our natural resources illegally. They see those ones. So, now your own sister and brother, now that one you will see. Now that one you will see, go like to take your 2 eyes see. Bring your proof if you know that yes, the Igbo people don't like selling land to others. Bring your proof, let us see. That's what I can say. Nothing else. Because I don't have anything to tell you. Because I know that all what you are just chasing is clout. You are just chasing clout. Y0ruba people is everywhere. They are everywhere. Y0rubas are everywhere in Southeast. If you go to Southeast, the best tailors you have there are Y0rubas. And they make hell of money there. If you want clothes, you know how much they sew it. My tailor in Enugu is a Y0ruba guy. I have two of them like that. They are my tailors. Men.
You see, men sew women clothes for you. If Yoruba man sew women clothes for you, you'll be wondering. Maybe one day I'll wear one of the clothes they sewed for me and I'll use it to make video. You see clothes that a man sewed. Don't just come out and be lying. Unnecessary lie. If you are one of them that they paid to come to social media to talk down on Igbos, you have failed. You and the person that sent you. You and the person that sent you. Okay? Yes, you and the person that sent you, that they sent you, gave you data and all that they gave you to come out and talk down on Igbo people. Tell the person that even as you are talking, you are even raising them the more. Because it's not easy. See now, they only gave Igbo people 20 pounds during the war. After the war, they say if you like, no matter any amount of million you have in your account, after they only gave them 20 pounds. And people that they gave 20 pounds are the ones commanding the day. They are the ones, if you place your house, no matter how much you place it, they're going to go there, pay cash. They pay cash and collect it, no credit. They're going to pay cash, no credit. So, which one? Waiting we can't do now. My sister, stop that one now. That one no befit you at all. Chai, that one no befit you. They say we are one Nigeria, abi? Igbo say, okay, if you don't want us, allow us to be. If you don't want us, let me be. Let me be, let me be. La 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 la. Let me be, let me be. Don't talk. How na they take singer? Yes, so if you don't want the Igbo people, as if they pay you for body like because the pain where they your face, I hope say you will later rewatch this your video. I hope you will later go watch your video again. Because the pain where they this face, hey. I wonder if you see the Igbo people self in person, what do you go do? Your fellow woman be not do you anything. You just generalize. Even if you have any beef with one particular person now, you are not supposed to generalize it to everybody. Hey, I beg go, make we take an easy. We are looking for a way to fix our country. Looking a way to tailor and suture all the things that have spoiled. And now you come to add more pepper. So you think say, okay, if you say this one now, Igbo people go not disappear on the planet Earth. So what is your agenda? I'm just wondering what your agenda is for making this video. Just come up one day and just pick ring light, your light and start your phone and start making this type of video, this type of HATE video. Why? Why, my sister? Why? See, Chinese people don't they collect our country from us. You go there, they talk Igbo people. You don't go sell for Igbo people, but you go sell for Chinese people. Yes, now. You don't go sell for your people, but you go sell land for Chinese people. Yes. You go sell to them, but you don't go sell for your Igbo brother or your Igbo sister. If your Igbo sister and your Igbo brother buy, you go they pepper you for body, I see they pepper you so. But if na Chinese people buy them, you go like them. Now they don't collect us, they don't collect and finish you. They don't collect and finish you. If you know, no and now, hey, no and now, say our land self and our minerals, they don't collect and finish from our hand. If that one, if you know, no and now, you they pursue shadow. Why people where they do the real thing, then they do the real thing. You they shall pursue yourself. This one way they pursue now yourself. Because the real people were supposed to say, I beg Nigeria, make we slow these people down. The rate where they collect our place from us. At a point now, they go overpower us. We go come have Nigeria Chinese. That one no day for your memory. That one no day for your memory. As it day for South Africa now, where they have a South African Oyibo. Yes, now. They get South African Oyibo. They even want to get their own country now, self. They won't get the Oyibo, won't get their own country. Yes, now. When you go there, they see white South Africans and black South Africans. So very soon now, you go see with Chinese Nigeria and the Chinese African Nigeria and the Chinese Nigeria. It go happen for your eye. Because as you they take the chase shadow, so leave the real talk. Come they talk up at we no enter anywhere. Very soon now, you go clear for your eye. Even if not be this our generation, but as they don't they build up. You don't they build up. If you no and now. No and now say the things have done they finish. They don't they collect everywhere finish. No person will get money, now go buy. Now as no one sell for Igbo people, then the other people carry dollar, carry money, carry their waiting with that their money. Yeah, and I've been waiting. I don't know the name of their money. When they carry their money enter, then Igbo man maybe go the price. Yoruba their own now. That them be landlord. So if they don't build family house, they're okay with that one. Then the next other buildings, other land where they go get that one now for sale. They go come they sell and plenty money. So if Igbo man price, enter, Chinese go carry money, dump it and double it and carry the land. So when I don't they sell and finish now to them, tomorrow now we go get Chinese Nigeria. It go happen for Nagrokuru eye. Shebi, as you don't want your brother or your sister to buy, then you go sell them to outsider. Tomorrow outsider will come or even pursue you too. Now the thing where they did Southeast no you na say na dot in a cycle. Shebi una say Southeast is a dot in a cycle. So that dot in a cycle, and there's no much business is going on there. So that's why the Igbo left their place and travel outside their place. They are not even in their place. The Igbos left their place and even travel, because even if you even buy the land there, maybe you go do business now. Which business you go come do? Where go come fetch you the kind of money you will make if you go where business are really booming, where government presence, where there is government presence. Where there is government presence. Yes, if you go to Lagos now, you see all the things they use taxpayers' money to build. They built a lot of stuff, a lot of infrastructure, a lot of companies. A lot of companies are in Lagos and Abuja. They use taxpayers' money to build a lot of stuff in Lagos and Abuja, being capital of Nigeria. Igbo land has not been a capital. Likewise Port Harcourt. So everything is still in your place, yet you are still crying. It is capital because they use Nigerian money to develop Lagos. They use Nigerian money to develop Abuja. Abuja and Lagos belong to everybody. Yes, Abuja and Lagos belong to all Nigerians because they use taxpayers' money to build it. You understand? So what is there is, if you are the owner, nobody will force and collect your land from you. It is you that is the owner that will say, oh, this is my land, I want to sell it to use it to solve my problem. Yes, because the person that you are going to sell it to is going to pay you money. He's not going to just grab your land for free or by force. No, it's not done anywhere. No part of the world that anybody will just go and grab somebody's land or property just like that. No, it's against the law everywhere in the world. Nobody grabs anybody's land by force. If that happens, they will go and challenge it in court. Yes, they're going to go challenge it in court. So, my dear, just try to say the truth. Stop telling lies. Because your children are going to watch this thing. Your children and other people's children. Our children, everybody, even those in Nigeria and those outside the country, they are going to watch all these things here, lies you are telling on internet, because it's not true. I know many people that are Yorubas. That I'm not even talking about all, because Hausas, everybody know their quarters. Hausas have quarters every state. If you go to Southeast, you will see Hausas in every state. They have their quarters and they do their businesses. No complaint. No Hausa will come out now and tell you that we don't have a place to stay in any part in any part of Southeast. No Hausa will tell you that, because they have their quarters and their quarters are known. It's a known place. Yes. So, and Yorubas are just like Igbos that travel. You can travel if you wish to relocate to any other place. You can relocate. So some Yorubas relocated to Southeast. Yeah, some are in Aba, some are in Enugu, some are in Imo State, some are in Ebonyi, some are in Anambra. Yeah, they do their series of business. If you go to Anambra, there's one Yoruba guy. If you go there, you see big businesses he opened there. A lot of them, not only one self. I know some that bought land. I know not even one, plenty of them that bought land in Enugu. I know them. Don't just come out and tell lies. It will not fetch you anything. It's just that you are chasing clouds. And now that you have used it to go, you use Igbo people to go viral. Maybe you have been looking for viral videos for all along. You have not been seen. Now, you try to use Igbo people to trend. Well, Don't trend in a wrong reason. That will not even make sense. That doesn't make sense at all. Okay, me, I would not like to trend in a wrong reason. Yeah, you have to trend in a right one. Good content and all that. But using a whole nation, a whole tribe, a whole nation, a whole ethnic group to chase clouds, well, it's left for you. We can't say anything. It's just left for you. Your children and other children is going to watch it. And then when there is no proof, they will know that you are a liar. You are a perpetual liar. You lying is in your DNA. There's nothing anybody want to tell me. Because when you know that this thing is a lie and you come out and you are saying it and knowing fully well that is a lie, which means lies is in your DNA. Nothing anybody want to tell me. Yeah. Okay, guys. I just say, let me just bring it to you guys and also hear your own thought about this thing, that this lie that this woman. Tell us on the comment section what she said. Is it really true? Is it true? Because if it is true, let us know the evidence. See the evidence. You can pin the evidence on the comment section. Share your thoughts on the comment section. If you have seen anywhere, anybody in the southeast that refused to sell land to anybody that came to buy land just because the person is not an Igbo, please let us know the person and know where the person come from. Know the part of Igbo land, okay? And then spilling all these lies, carrying Igbo people, going everywhere, going to Cameroon, going to Ghana, going to South Africa, lying against innocent people that did not do anything to you. There's one I watched. That one said the Igbo food is not up to 100 years. 100 years. Is it 100 years or 100 days? I don't know how many days. Oh. He said that even stockfish, this and that. Stockfish is not fish. It's fish. Every fish is fish. It depends on when you come across whichever fish, whichever species. This thing is is now looking somehow on you people. This is shared wickedness and envy and jealousy. That is what it looks like, because you don't have any serious point. There is no point, nothing to argue about, nothing to argue about. So okay, guys, see you guys in the next one though. But don't forget to share your thoughts on the comment section. I remain your one and only African Lioness TV. All right, Onu nekuru onye obuna. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.